guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to Ossipee River. We're gonna fish the lake. There might be some smallmouth bass in it. We don't really know that yet because we haven't fished it. We got the lures tied up, but don't know if those are the right lures. Probably not gonna catch fish, to be honest. We're just going out there on the boat.
Matt cut me with the line. Wait, what is it?
There you go, there you go. All right, start reeling him. When he gets loose, start reeling him. Nice. All right, bring him to the boat. Keep the rod tip up. Keep it up. There you go. Here he comes. He's coming. He's going on the boat. Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. Here he comes.
You got him?
Nope, nope. Oh, you got a smallie. Oh no, it's a largie. Holy shit, I told you they were big. Dude, first cast.
Were you recording?
Yeah, first freaking cast. Holy shit, cast.
What is, oh damn, that's big.
It's stuck in my hat. Huge, dude. First cast, I didn't even get to record. I just pressed it as you were fighting it.
Oh, good.
You gonna hold them?
Oh, what do I do?
Just drop it. Perfect. I'll throw
Can
him
you,
there.
weigh him?
3.08. That's a big fish. I told you. We have a lot more where that came from.
I hope so.
Oh yeah. We didn't even make it down the wall where they were big. Come on.
You need the...
Nah, these feel small. Oh, he came off. That's fine.
You came off.
Yeah. Line. So when the water's super clear, like you can see stuff, you want to use a very clear line so they can't see it. On. I'll get the net for this one. Oh, he's good. He's good. He's a good size.
Where is he?
He's coming up. I'll let you know. I'm pulling him up. He's over there. Here he comes. Nice. Heck yeah. Another good 2-pounder. God, these guys are footballs.
What are they eating here?
Look how short and like stubby he is. He's a little football.
Wait.
Oh, you got him. Oh, he jumped out of the
Oh,
water.
you have him?
Yeah, you can flip him in the boat.
Doesn't feel
He's,
like
he's
him.
not that big.
Oh.
Oh, he's big.
He's biting.
He's feisty. Oh, he's small.
He's feisty though. He's like, you're not trying to catch me.
Look at that. Meow. I love that dude when he runs away. Bring him up.
He's biting.
Oh, it's a smallie. That's your first smallmouth bass.
Oh,
Damn, he's so fast. That's a smallie. See how hard he fought and how small he is?
yeah.
All right, I gotta get myself unsnagged, so. There you go. It's your first smallmouth. He doesn't have a stripe and they have red eyes.
Cool.
They fight like a freaking champ. Don't break, please. He's coming up, he's coming up. No, stay down. Good size.
You want that?
I think so. Oh, he's a good size. Here comes.
Oh.
Nice. Let's go, baby. Told you, I don't have any food in my stomach.
How much shooting?
Oh, a huge one.
Stop it.
It's a water moccasin. I'm coming, duckies. Hi. What you guys doing? Someone's hungry. They're about three weeks old. Excited. I set up the whole boat. Like I said, I went to Cabela's. I got out of work at like not a decent hour. Went to Cabela's, and with the rain and everything, I wasn't so sure it was gonna come out. But I'm kind of pumped to come out. I brought my other rods just in case the fly fishing isn't working, but I think after the rain and crappy weather, you know what they say, shitty weather always brings big fish. Well, maybe the chest mount only works if you have a chest, which I don't have. Now, when I fished yesterday, it was kind of crazy. I was like fixing my line up, and a freaking pickerel went after it, literally just sitting there. But let's try it. Yeah, this is gonna be tough. I want a top water barrel. Barrel. Oh, let's go. What do we got? What do we got? Is it crappie? What do we got? Oh, it's a good sized crappie. Freaking pancake. Get in here, don't break my line. No way, dude. Good sized crappie. Whoa. Whoa. They're really cool looking fish. Not big though. What are you staring at? Yeah, that's what I thought. Trying to get all the angles for you guys. You're not gonna be able to see where I'm casting, but at least get to see me catch a fish. If I had 2 GoPros, that would just totally be sick. See, that was a fish. As soon as I take the GoPro off, my casts are like immaculate. Now, of course, I could just be saying that. I really need to shut up. You're right, bro. It'd be sick if I had the drone. A terrible spot, you know? Because I haven't fished here before. This isn't like the spot. I'm just gonna keep saying this isn't the spot until I catch something. This is the spot I was telling you guys about. Tell that to my face. Shut your face, Grandma. Dude, if I caught a bass on this thing, holy crap. Chills, bro. Chills. Dude is not for the content, bro. Super swag. Ow, I just stepped on the floor. It's dedication. Stepping on the feet. Maybe I'm just not sophisticated enough to catch fish on a fly rod. You could put like spectacles on or something. Ah, dude. Nah. Get out of my eye. Just straight up not having a good time. We're getting crazy. toss the trash. We're gonna tie on I'm gonna try a bigger popper in this section that's over there. And see if that helps a little bit. And then after that, before we lose the sunlight, I'm gonna try like a little worm in a different little section, but it's just part of it, man. Just part of it. Oh, he's big.
What?
Yeah. Oh, dude, he's a tank. He's a tank. He's a good size. Nice, dude. Let's go. Oh, he's big.
Okay.
Oh, dude.
Holy shit.
That was close. All right. Relax.
Watch this video, Rexon. Fuck you.
Matt. We're going right to you. Get him.
Ah.
Get him. Under. There you go. Nice. Good size. Oh, fuck yeah. There you go, man. Told you. Where's the hook? Oh, it's right this. Oh. Poor guy. Dude. That was so loud.
Hurry up.
He's fine.
We're not messing around anymore. Come on. I can't. What if I get this hook?
You're not going to. You gotta grab it firmly.
Okay.
Firmly. Like, there you go.
Okay.
Oh my! You gotta hold on to him. You gotta stop letting go.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh my god, dude.